When I was in the right ventricle, I left through the pulmonary trunk after passing a pulmonary semilunar valve. Now that I'm in the left ventricle, what do I do? It's actually very similar. At the same point in the cardiac cycle where the right ventricle is undergoing systole to build enough pressure to open the pulmonary semilunar valve, the left ventricle is undergoing systole to build enough pressure to open the aortic semilunar valve at the base of the aorta. The body is a big place, and you've got so many possible roads in front of you. You might go to the brain and back, to the hand and back, to the leg and back, because all of these tissues need oxygen to survive. And you're the one who brings them that oxygen. Once you get into the capillaries, the small blood vessels in these various parts of the body, oxygen leaves your hemoglobin and then diffuses out of the blood to the tissue that so desperately needs oxygen. You have a very important job. That sounds exciting. You two are going to be with me every step of the way, right? Unfortunately, this is where our paths must part. I'm a platelet, and so if there's been any sort of injury, if we have cut ourselves, I'm going to have to bind to the collagen, let loose my granules, and start the clotting process. Right. And I'm a white blood cell. See, I'm monitoring the tissues of the body for signs of infection or signs of trouble. And if I see any, I'm actually going to leave the circulatory system to go out to these tissues so that I can help protect the body. But not to worry, you're going to leave the heart and then be back again in probably less than a minute. And you'll be making this route every single day for the 120 days of your life. You're going to be a pro in no time.